Jack was a young man full of dreams, but had no sense of direction. After graduating from college, he spent most of his time hanging out with friends, playing video games, and scrolling through social media. He always told himself, "I'm still young. I have plenty of time to work later." His grandfather, Mr. Harris, watched him with concern. One evening, Grandpa placed an old hourglass on the table in front of Jack. Jack raised an eyebrow. "What's this for, Grandpa?" Grandpa Harris didn't answer. He simply flipped the hourglass, letting the golden grains of sand trickle down slowly. Jack watched in silence, fascinated by the steady flow of sand from the top chamber to the bottom. After a few minutes, Grandpa finally spoke. "Do you see this sand, Jack? Each grain represents a moment, an opportunity. Once it falls, you can never take it back." Jack's eyes followed the falling sand. He suddenly felt uneasy. "So, does that mean every second I waste is a lost opportunity?" Grandpa nodded. "Exactly. Many young people think they have unlimited time. But one day, you'll wake up and realize that the opportunities you ignored will never return." Jack sat quietly, thinking. After a while, he looked up and asked, "Then how can I manage my time better, Grandpa?" Grandpa Harris smiled. "It's simple, Jack. First, you must know what you truly want. Set clear goals. Then take small steps every day to achieve them. Don't rush, but don't waste time either. If you manage your time wisely, it will lead you exactly where you want to be." That night, Jack couldn't sleep. His grandfather's words echoed in his mind. The next morning, he woke up early and wrote down his goals. He started working hard, managing his time wisely, and making sure that every moment counted. Years passed, and Jack became successful. But as he sat in his big office, looking at his busy schedule, he felt something was missing. He remembered his grandfather's lesson and realized something important. Time isn't just for work. It's also for family. From that day, Jack made a change. He still worked hard, but he also made time for his loved ones. He visited his grandfather more often, had dinner with his parents, and spent weekends with his siblings. One evening, as he sat with Grandpa Harris, he placed the same hourglass on the table. "You were right, Grandpa," Jack said with a smile. "Time never waits. But now, I use it wisely, for my dreams and for my family." Grandpa Harris patted his hand. "I'm proud of you, my boy. You've truly learned the value of time."